Hello and welcome to this elec calc tutorial video on license activation and reactivation. After installing the software, you will be asked to activate your license received in the confirmation email to unlock access. If you followed the installation steps, then the license manager should have been installed along with the software, and you need to double-click on its icon to open it. From the license manager, go to the license tab and click on Add a license number. Enter your number, then validate it. If you have an internet connection, the license will activate automatically. If you have any doubts, make sure your license is selected, highlighted in blue. Go to the Activation/Reactivation tab and click on Reactivate Selected Licenses. Normally, your license will be activated. This step must be done each time your license expires. If your internet connection has restrictive rules, an online activation might not be possible. To solve this, you can activate your license via email. Select your license, highlighted in blue. Go to the Activation/Reactivation tab and click on Generate an email to reactivate licenses. An email with a code will then be generated in a small window. Click the button at the bottom to copy it. Then open your email client and paste the text into the body of an email. Add the address register@tracesoftware.com as the recipient and send the email. You will soon receive a reply with a validation code. Now, in the License Manager, still in the Activation/Reactivation tab, click on Reactivate Licenses by entering an activation code. An input window will appear, and you can then copy the code received by mail and paste it into the input window. Validate it, and your license will now be activated. Now we just need to cover license reactivation. With each subscription, your license is valid for a set period of 365 days. You can see the remaining number of days at the top of an elec calc project window. At the end of this period, you will need to reactivate your license to continue using elec calc. Open the License Manager, then select your license. Go to the Activation/Reactivation tab and click on Reactivate Selected Licenses. Again, if you have network restrictions, you can complete this step by reactivating your license via email. Once your license is reactivated, you can use elec calc again for a set period. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.